Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. It's so hot. Don't mind me sweating, but it's hot like crazy. Today we're going to guess. Alright, guys, so we're here at the entrance. Well, I'm thinking it's the bottom entrance of Waterfalls and it's closed. And so we're going to get one of the locals to give us a tour up by the falls. But before that, we're going to grab some lunch and then head up. See you soon. So here it is, guys. I asked the lady like what's the name of the shop, and I kid you not, the shop has no name. She said she just never think about giving it a name. Them have curry chickens.
Say name the dog them already, Todd?
Name all of the dog and just name the cat.
Okay, so who this
Is
one?
it the chicken?
Raja.
Raja. And this who?
Foxy.
And she who? Jasper.
Jasper.
How was she?
My ass. So freaking cool, guys.
See you down there?
Yeah,
So you reach back up.
Ready?
So me get excited and think become a thing saying to dog, you know, put my pan there, little piece of something there, and I just ride through the mountains and nothing like that.
You reach back up from this, sir?
Alright, come on. I'm selling too much barefoot down, say.
No waste more video time out with video foolishness.
That prank this thing get prank.
We don't have life jackets. Alright, so I know when I say only to mention the price. Yes, because we actually did not pay to get in. As you can see, we walked down a hill and go through all type of things to get down here, and we paid our tour guide in return. But I think the normal fee to get into Waterfalls is $500 and $250 for kids. Alright, so I'm gonna go around, you know. It's because the place full of trees and grass and it's kind of covered. That water here, this water here, temperature. If you're afraid of cold water, then just another thing this.
Easy? Water cool? Tell me about the water.
But it's nice. Where are you? Why are you not in here?
The Lord said the wise man built his house on the rock. And I'm on the rock.
sinking part. Swim come back over to here.
Let me tell you something. I'm afraid, I'm afraid. A joke, afraid, I'm afraid. Listen, there are rocks and trees and all kind of things underneath them water here that I just don't feel good without a life jacket. Yes, I can swim, but river water just different. I can't explain.
You got all the young ones. Remember say you can swim.
The shame. I'm so embarrassed. Alicia. Alisa, look here.
What does it do? Please feel it up. Please
Sa may kunagawa sa awa. Alisa.
Are you afraid? Come not touch the foot. Come not touch the foot. Probably just sleep.
Me blood.
She can go out.
Fun fact, guys. So our beautiful rituals have been featured in actually 2 movies. One from Tom Cruise called Cocktails, and the remake of Lord of the Flies. I don't know if anybody ever seen those 2 movies before, but if you haven't, then maybe you should check it out and you'll actually see our beautiful falls.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I would really recommend getting swim shoes when you're doing this tour. The rocks are really slippery and I think it would help in terms of you not hurting yourself. Yes, so I warned you, please get swim shoes.
Right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town.
this waterfall was more of an adventure more than relaxation. We spent most of our time climbing and experiencing the different tiers of the falls, the different pools that they have, etc. So I think you would maximize your experience if you actually took the full tour than to stay at the bottom or midway of the falls.
Heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. See you in the next video.